morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? That's nice. Very good. Shall we play today, children? Yes? We'll play and we will learn. You're all ready? Yes or no? I'm not hearing. Tell me loudly. Yes, teacher. Yes. Ready? Now close your eyes. Everyone, now just close your eyes. Sit. Sit. Close your eyes. Everyone. Calm yourself. I'll show you a surprise. We will play. Yes? Yes. Now close your eyes. Ready? Close. Yes. Wait. Then I'll show you one thing. Okay? All close your eyes, I told. No one should open your eyes now. Yes? That's good. Now open your eyes. What is this? What is this? Crayon box. What is this? Crayon box. Can you see anything, children? What is this? This is a crayon box. Can you see crayon where it is? Can you see? Can anyone identify where is that? Can you see any crayon outside? No? Yes. Now I will show you. Wait. See? Now crayons are coming out. Now where was the crayon? Crayon came out. What is that? Crayon came out from the crayon box. Now crayons are outside. Crayons are outside. Where it was? It was inside the box. Where it was? It was inside the box. Now I am putting crayons inside the box. Now where is the crayon? Inside the crayon box. Can you take it out now? Yes. Where is the crayons now? It is coming out. Now getting in. Now can you see the crayons? No. See, I'm taking out now. Yes, out. Got it, children? Now where is the crayons? Outside the box. Now crayons are inside the box. Yes? If you listen carefully. Yes, children? I'll give you a surprise, okay? Good. See? I'll get you one more thing now. What is this? A plain box. Is anything inside the box now? No. Shall we put something? See, I am putting some scrambles inside. What is that? Now what is inside the box? Here are some scrambles inside the box. What is that? There are some scrambles inside the box. Yes? Children, can you see a pen now? Pen. Yes. Where is the pen? It is outside the box. Got it? Scrambles are inside the box. See, this is the box and the scrambles are inside the box. Yes? See the sound. Very nice, na? Good. And where is the pen? Pen is outside the box. Outside of the box. Outside of the box. Outside the box. Anything you can tell us. Now where is the pen? Pen is outside. And the scrambles are inside the box. Got it, children? You understood? Understood? Yes? You liked it? That's good. So, Today we are going to learn a concept in maths. What is the subject? Maths. Yes? You are ready? That's good. Let's go to the subject. What is that? Concept. Inside and outside. Inside and outside. Yes? Inside, outside. Just now we played correct with the crayons, scrambles, pen. Correct? That is called inside and outside. Got it, children? Yes? See, we are going to learn this with other pictures now. Ready? What is that? Wow, a wonderful castle. What is that? A castle. See, what is there outside the castle? It's a tree. Is there only one tree? No, there are so many trees. So, trees are outside the castle. Trees are outside the castle. Yes? How many trees are there? 4. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. So outside the castle, there are 4 trees. What is there outside the castle? Trees. Got it? Good. Now here comes. Wow. Lovely. What is that? What is flying up in the sky in the picture? What is that? Air balloon. What is that? Air balloon. See? Where is that air balloon flying? Outside the house. Where is that air balloon flying? Outside the house. Okay, house is there. Near to the house, trees are outside. And what is flying on the sky? Hot air balloons. Air balloons are up in the sky, outside of the house. Air balloons are outside of the house. Yes? Good. Wow. See? For us, mommy is preparing yummy, yummy foods now. Like that. See? Auntie is also preparing something. See? Mommy is preparing in kitchen. Where is our kitchen? It is inside our house. Yes? Inside of our house. See, what is this? This is inside of our house. You can see balloons, hot air balloon, trees and all outside of the house. Now cooking can be done only inside of the house on a covered place. Correct? Yes. See, who is she? This auntie is also preparing something inside the house. What is this? Inside the house. Got it? Good. Wow. How many of you know what is this? Okay, that's great. See here, children. We have so many small plants and saplings we can grow inside our house. It's it. That is near the balcony areas. Okay, near the windows. Yes, those are all. It's inside the houses with small things. See, these are also inside the house. Yes, it is under covered. Yes, this is also inside the house. See, a small pot. How many of you have small pot in your home? Yes, that's good. If not, no problem. If we have, very good. Okay. There are many houses where we can plant small trees and small saplings inside the house near the balcony. Okay, where we will get less sunlight, or few plants may have more sunlight. Okay, so there are some saplings and small the saplings like this we can plant inside our houses. Okay, children. So this sapling is, this small tree is inside, not tree, small plant is inside the house. This is what? Inside the house. Good. Wow. What is that? Who is it reading? Newspaper. Some uncle is sitting. Where is he sitting? He is sitting outside. He is sitting outside. Outside of the car. Outside of the house. Yes. It might be in park also. So, he is sitting outside. It is not covered. Yes? Yes. Can we say he is sitting outside the car? Yes? Yes. See, the car picture is also there. So, we can tell he is sitting and reading newspaper. Where is he sitting? Outside. He is sitting outside. Got it? Good. Wow, very nice. What is that? Cleaning. Cleaning with mop. What is that and all? What all can we see? Mopping can be done. Floor cleaner. What is that name called? This last third one is with the vacuum cleaner. Yes. With. What is that and all? Yes, with plastic broom and the cleaning materials. All these happenings are done inside the house. Yes? Have you seen a vacuum cleaner in your house, children? Yes? If your parents are doing, you can assist them. You can clean the surrounding, okay? And they will clean it with the vacuum cleaner. When your mommy is brooming the house, yes, you can take the materials which are all fallen down on the floor. You can help them in that way. Okay? Good. So they are cleaning the house. Yes, it is inside. They are cleaning only the inside house. Yes or no? That's good. Wow. See? He's going in car. Can we go in car inside the house? We can't. Yes? Yes. So we can make a drive in car only outside. Yes, only outside. We can drive outside, not inside our house, correct? So where is he driving? He's driving the car outside. Where is he driving? Outside. Understood? Good. See, here, just part. He is sitting inside the car. Where is he sitting? Inside the car. See, no other thing now. Got it? He's not driving also. Now, where is he sitting? Inside the car. He's just sitting. That's it. Okay? Yes, children? Where is he sitting? Inside the car. That's good. Ah, what is that? Restaurant. Have you gone to restaurants? Ah, that's nice. But we are not going to go out now. No outing now. No outside now for us. Okay? Yes? See, they are sitting and eating outside the restaurants. What is that? They are sitting and eating outside the restaurant. Yes? Where they are sitting now? Outside the restaurant. Yes? Now we are not going out. Got it? No outing for us now. Okay, children? I know my children are very smart and they are very good. They will listen to everyone. Yes, children? Parents, grandparents, teachers, everyone. Yes or no? Yes, that's good, children. And see, they are sitting inside and reading like my children. My children are very good. They are doing homeworks, they are reading, they are doing all activities sitting inside the home. Correct? The same way, they are also reading and exchanging the papers. See, when our brother or sister tells us, we will listen. The same way, they are also, okay, I'm taking, I'm listening, like that. See? They are sitting inside the house and reading. and exchanging ideas. Yes, when our brother or sister tells, we should hear. Yes, na? Ah, okay, Didi. Yes, okay, Bhaiya. Like that. Yes or no? Yes, good children will say yes. We should take their suggestions. Okay? Yes, children. See, they are listening to their brother and sisters. Their sisters are listening and studying inside the house. So we are also doing the same thing now. That's good, children. Oh, he is riding a cycle and getting milk packets, milk bottles rather. Yes, see, this cycling can be done only outside the house, not inside the house. Correct? Not like our small cycle. This is big cycle for big ones. Yes, this cycling can be done only outside the house. Yes, children, he is getting milk bottles. Anyone is getting milk bottles? Yes? Okay, that's very nice, children. Good. He is also, see, this uncle is also dropping milk bottles in cycle. He is coming out and dropping milk bottles. Got it? Okay, so this cycling can be done only outside on the open area. Got it, children? Good. And wow, once we all did, what we will do? Mama, let me sleep, mama. Let me aaram se. Yes, like that. I know many of you have told this. I've heard also. You'll love to sleep in sofa. Yes. See, he also loves to sleep in sofa. Aaram se. Yes. Yes, I heard. See, that can be done only inside the house. Yes, that can be done only inside the house. Where is our sofa? Sofa is inside our house. So, if you want to lie down in sofa, it can be done only inside the house. This work is, we can be inside the house. Yes, children? Yes? Okay, when you watch TV also, you'll just lie down on the sofa and just watch the TV. We'll change the channels with the remote. Yes, I know, I'm seeing it. Good, enjoy. Wow, very high trees. What is that? Butterfly, high trees. Only one tree, na? Yes, one tree and one butterfly or two butterfly? Three butterflies. See correctly, children. One is on the red. One is on, where is that? One is near the tree and one is down near the root. So there are three butterflies. Can you see three butterflies? Yes. If you see one more, but I am not seeing. If you see, you let me know. Okay. Okay, and where is that butterflies are flying? Is this inside the house or outside the house? Outside. Yes, the butterflies are flying outside the house. Got it? Understood? Yes. So now we are going to take Max workbook. Shall we take? Yes. Yes? Good. So, what is this? Our Max workbook. What is that? Max workbook. It is number book 2. Yes? We are going to take this. Now, I am ready. Now, take your Max book, children. Yes, take your big book. Yes, Max big book. Take it. Yes, and how I told you last time, you remember how we are going to open the book? See, not like this or not like this. If you do like this, your book will get lost or book will get teared and book will become dirty very easily. Okay, children? See, you are going to open the book in very nice way. See here. You're keeping your book like this? Yes. See how I'm opening? On the top. Keep your hand like this and just open like this. Okay. If you open like this, okay, your book will become very soft and book will be very much safer and will not become dirty and your corners will not get tired. Okay, it will be very neat like you. Okay, children. Now you are going to take page number 106. You can ask your mama or papa to help you. Yes? Yes, children? Good. Now take page number 106. 106. Got it? Come with your pencil. Yes. Come with your pencil, children. Got it? Shall we start? Ready? Show me thumbs up like this. Ready? Yes, ready, teacher. Show me, children. That's good. My smart children. So, first we should start with what? Once we take the page, first write the date. What is today's date? 14-8-2020. First write the date. See where I have written the same place. And write the heading CW. Yes? Good. Ready? Okay. Come. Now, yes, I can see all already now. That's good. Now, always children, read the heading first. Okay? See, what is the heading given? Inside and outside. What is the heading? Inside and outside. Okay? Yes. Now read the first line. Read the sentence and tick the correct picture. Yes. Now read it one more time, children. Read the sentence and tick the correct picture. Got it? Okay. Now in first box, what is that? What is that picture? What are all there in the picture? A boy standing, a boy sitting, a car picture. Correct? So we have a boy and a car. Correct? There are two different pictures. In one picture, the boy is sitting inside the car. Very good. And in the second picture, the boy is standing outside the car. Excellent. So what is the question they have asked? The boy is outside the car. So, which picture shows the boy outside the car? Which one? Yes. Now tick it. Tick that picture. Yes, in this picture only the boy is standing outside the car. Correct? Yes. Tick it. Just put a tick mark like this. See how I have done the same way. Good. Done? Yes, children. Shall we go for the next? That's good. What is it in the second picture? A house is there. What is that? What is that? Is type of a house, but not our house. Correct? It's a kennel. Dog's house is called kennel. You have read na? Yes, homes of animals. Yes, what is dog's house? Yes, it's a kennel. Good. kennel picture is there and a dog is also there. Yes, in one picture, see what is there in the first picture? Dog is inside the kennel. Second picture, dog is outside the kennel. Yes. Now what is they have given the sentence? The dog is inside the kennel. Yes. So which picture we have to put a tick mark? Inside means which picture? Yes. Just put a tick mark. Done? Good. Wow, wow. Just show me a book like this. Yes, show me like this. Show me like this. Wow, good. Good. If you are showing, you are doing right still now. Please do it, children. Excellent. And now you all will like to do this. I know. I told you now, I'll give you a surprise. Yes, this is the surprise. Now, see here, we are going to read the heading now. First, draw a ball inside the box and a bat outside the box. What we are going to do first, we need to draw a ball inside the box and bat outside the box. Got it? Ready? Yes? The box. Got it? That's good. All drawn? No coloring, only drawing. What they have told, what is there in the heading? Only draw and no coloring. Let us draw first, okay? No coloring. That's why I told you no, nothing about the crayons. I told you to bring only the pencil. Correct? That's good. Okay, done? Yes, show me thumbs up like this. Don't close your book immediately. Show me like this. Teacher, done. See, I have done. Yes, show me if you have done. That's good. All done? Beautifully? It's very good. Now, very good, children. Clap. You done very nicely. Keep it up. Okay, children. So, you enjoyed today's class? Yes, you learn the concept of inside and outside. Yes, we are inside the house now. Got it? Hope you understand. Okay. I'll see you soon in our next session. Bye, children. Take care. Bye-bye.